Hello! Today we are making a simple and strong bow materials needed. Round plastic, thick straw, thick rope, rubber, scissors, and lighter. We make two opposite holes from the front part of the round plastic with the help of scissors and a lighter. We pass the smaller, thick straw between the two holes we opened. We pass a thick rope elastic through the straw. We tie 2 knots to make the tire strong. We make a small cut on the tip of the large straw using scissors. We slide the large straw through the plastic and ready to shoot. Let's try. First test. Second test. Don't forget subscribe and like.